Go ahead, now talk.
Hey Joseph, wish you were here. You do a little man's work. That's how you cut a log, guy.
Now the skinny guy has to pick it up.
Yeah, we can take a video of that.
No, that's okay.
Watch it.
Here,
Oh, my chain got loose, so we got to do that
it's
again.
still on.